Today we'll prepare spaghetti with spinach and smoked tuna. Here are the ingredients. 100 grams of spaghetti, 100 grams of fresh spinach, 1 garlic clove, salt and pepper, extra virgin olive oil, vegetable broth, smoked tuna fillet. We'll throw the spaghetti in a pot of boiling salted water while we put a little bit of oil in a pan. Brown the garlic, then remove it. Add a pinch of hot pepper and then the fresh spinach. Sauté the spinach. Now add the vegetable broth, like this. Now let's check our pasta. While we wait, we can prepare the smoked tuna. Cut it into strips like this. Now our spaghetti are ready. We'll strain them and put them in the pan with the spinach for a minute. Our spaghetti are now ready. Put them on a dish like this. To finish off, decorate with the smoked tuna. And a bit of extra virgin olive oil from Ragusa, Sicily. And freshly ground black pepper. Buon appetito!